Hello and welcome. I'm Justine Almaraz, and I'm really happy you're here. This is a safe place for you to grow and learn how to thrive as an artist. I am going to be sharing my experience all about how I've become the artist I am with an iconic style and how you can too. How you can develop your fine art into becoming a fine art tattoo artist and what that whole world is like. I'm pulling back the curtains. I'm not gatekeeping anything, and I'm here for you. This is like a podcasty style space where I interview other artist experts and also just like go deeper into some experiences and journeys I've been on and how I become an entrepreneur, creative, and a business owner of many different kinds, and how you can too. And you can develop your own style in a way that you can get paid well for it, you can get seen and recognized for it, and transition and turn that into a fine art tattoo career that can pay you very well and give you the lifestyle you know you came to Earth to experience, and feel really good about serving your community in a way that feels deeply satisfying to your soul. So I'm glad you're here. Thank you. And thank you for joining this community. Any questions you have, please comment, and you can email me directly always, Justine@earthalterstudio.com. My website is Justine Almaraz, like soul, rooted soul, so you can remember. And I am here for you to help root your soul in your truest creative life ever. Thanks for being on this journey with me.